So guys, today we are going to be revisiting another lip combo, and I'm going to be bringing to you guys today the Fenty Beauty. This is the Glow and Extra, this two-piece lip set right here. And this has the color Traced Out, and the gloss bomb stick is, I think this is the universal one. But this is what the packaging is looking like. And I did purchase this over the Christmas holiday. And I thought, like, what better time to pull it out and use it right now. Of course, it came in some packaging that, you know, this little tissue paper. And y'all know how I am about this tissue paper. So, of course, per the usual, my lips are already sitting and marinating in moisturization. So I'm gonna wipe that off. And then this is the shade Traced Out. Oh man, I think I already have this. I think I already have this one, but anyway, we're gonna swatch it. I'm almost sure that I have this one. So I'm gonna swatch it so you guys can see that. Yeah, that's just like a nice chocolatey brown. I do think I have that. I just want to adjust my lighting just a little bit, because I feel like it's gonna help you guys be able to see that color a little bit better. Let me see, are you able to see it now? Okay. So yeah, that's that. Enough with prolonging. So yeah, so this is the color Traced Out in the lip liner again. And like I said, I think I do already have this liner. However, that is whatever it is. And this is the lip balm in Fenty Glow. So I want to say I have this, but I don't think I have it in the balm. So this is what that is looking like. So I hope you guys can see that. Alright, so first I'm going to apply the liner per the usual. So yeah. Okay, looking in here and applying that. Okay, so we have the liner on. Does not have to be perfect because we're just trying to get this set. And then we're gonna go in with the actual lip balm now. Okay, this is a very nice nude shade. Fenty Glow. Whoa, that's really, you do not want to press hard with these. You see what I got right there? So that's the shade I'm giving or getting. This is a nice little combo. I will say about these gloss bombs, they are like quite slippery and sticky. I mean, this is not the first one I've tried. I do have several of them over here in my corner, but I'll show you guys those at a later time. But this is a lip combo Traced Out, and then we have the Fenty Glow gloss bomb stick. Again, this came in a little holiday package. I never did pay attention to the fact that that was traced out. I thought for some reason it was thigh high, but neither here nor there. That is what we have so far, and these are the swatches. So you guys, I thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to share it with someone that's looking for a quick and easy lip combo. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if these are the type of videos that you like, and please come back and let's do it all over again. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.